The next thing I'd like to talk to you about is our extreme penetrating and pneumatic air tool oil. It's number 75751. It's used for a variety of reasons. You can use it on like bicycle chains, any kind of chain. You can use it on wire ropes. You can also, but the main thing you can use it for is pneumatic air tools. This will actually extend the life of your tool probably a good 5 times the length of its life expectancy. We used to sell a pneumatic air tool oil like everybody else, and you always put a drop of oil in every day when you're working with it, or every few hours if it's continuous. These oils, they work, but they're a poor lubricant. What we've done is we've taken our high quality lubricant, put it into this, but also we have a cleaning agent. There's a dispersant agent inside of this. So you can take your tool, and this is what I would suggest you doing. Take your air tool, and if you've got 2 or 3, that'd be wonderful. Just lay them out. But listen to them beforehand. Have it hooked up, pull the trigger, listen to the torque, and also find your baffle where the air is coming out, because you don't want to blow all this oil all over you afterwards. But what you do, you listen to it, disconnect it, pull the trigger, and give it a good healthy spray inside of the tool. And I would say about this long of a spray. That should be enough. You let it sit and you go on to your next one. Or else if you only have one, you just let it sit for a good minute. 2 minutes is fine. The longer it has to penetrate in, what you're doing is you're spraying it in, it's penetrating in to your tool, into all the little crevices, and the dispersant agent is breaking down all of the buildup and wear down. With a poor lubricant, and first of all, poor lubricant, you're going to be breaking everything down. You're going to get a little grit in there. You're going to have oils in there. You're going to have a lot of solids left from your compressed air inside of your tool. And so it's going to penetrate into all the little crevices. You hook it back up, and then to the air, you cover up your baffle and you pull your trigger, and black grit is almost as black as this is going to come flying out, and it's just cleaning the whole thing out. You do the whole gun. So what you want to do is you do that at least 2 to 4 times, clean out everything that's in there, and then what's left behind is my pure lubricant. It's my wear guard, and if you check out my lubricant video, you'll see how this works. It's 50 times the lubricity of grease. I mean, this stuff is unbelievable, and I'll even put this up against any grease too. So this stuff is great. It's a lubricant that's not going to break down. It's going to clean your tools, and you're going to notice the difference in the sound right away. So try it out, and if you can, try and do like 3, 4 of them at a time. That way it's just going to be more time for one to sit as you're cleaning the next one out.